Hello children, welcome again in your English class. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 15th of February 2021. Day is Monday. Subject is English literature and topic is revision number 1, lesson number 11 to 13. So children, as you all know, soon we are going to have the final exams, and for that we are going to start with the revision work of English subject. Okay, so today is our first revision. In this revision I am going to take your English literature from lesson number 11 to 13. Okay, let's start. First, we are in this revision I am not going to cover all the exercises, but the exercises that are relevant to your exams. Okay, that are useful for your exam purpose only. Okay, so let's start with lesson number 11, the discontented word tree. Word meaning. First word is discontented. Discontented means unhappy. Stiff. Stiff means difficult to bend or move. Bow. Bow means a large branch of a tree. Fourth, sparkling. Sparkling means shining brightly. Brightly. Bleating. Bleating is the sound of sheep and goat. And sixth, violently. Violently means with great force. So children, all these word meanings, any one of them can come in your exam, so you have to learn all the word meanings. Okay, and the question answers also, they may come in the option form, not in the same way subjective form, but in the objective MCQ type. So children, you have to see which uh, you have to learn all the question answers and read the lesson very carefully to answer the questions in the final exams. So first is, take out the book, take out the A exercise comprehension, write the complete answers to the following question. First question is, what did the fir tree have? It had dark green needles. It had dark green needles. Second, the fir tree wished for three kinds of leaves. List them. First is gold leaves, second glass leaves, third is broad and smooth leaves. Gold leaves, glass leaves, broad and smooth leaves. Third is, who granted the wishes of the fir tree? Answer is the wood fairy. Fourth, what did the robber do? Answer, he plucked all the gold leaves and ran away. He plucked all the gold leaves and ran away. Fifth, what did the strong and cruel wind do? Answer, it broke all the glass leaves of the tree. It broke all the glass leaves of the tree. Sixth, what did the billy goats do? Answer, they ate up all the leaves of the fir tree. They ate up all the leaves of the fir tree. Seventh, what did the fir tree ask for finally? Answer, it asked for its sharp green needles. It asked for its sharp green needles. Okay, second is, you have to read the lesson, look for the words and phrases for something. Something is given in each sentence and you have to write for the alternative of that subject, something. First question is, the wood fairy touched the fir tree with something. That something is magic wand. Magic wand. Second, the sparkling glass leaves broke into something. Something is small pieces. Small pieces. Third is, the billy goat said something to the fir tree. And what did they say? The billy goat said, we are very hungry. We will eat all the leaves. We are very hungry. We will eat all the leaves. Fourth, finally the fir tree said to the wood fairy, I'll never be something again. And that something is discontented. Discontented. Now, in next exercise, B2 exercise, you have to start with the you have to add dis in front of all the words and make a new word, like dis plus contented, discontented, dis plus honest, dishonest, dis plus please, displease, dis plus agree, disagree, dis plus obedient, disobedient, dis plus appear, disappear. And then you have to use all these words, 6 words, in the fill in the blanks. Okay, in BF part you have to use all these words. First is, look, the moon is going to disappear. Disappear, behind the clouds. Second, the discontented. 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 Discontented fir tree lived in a thick forest. Third are disobedient, 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 disobedient. Disobedient child does not do what his parents and teachers tell him to do. All the exercises I had explained before in our previous videos, so you can go through those videos also. Fourth, Mr. Gill. Your son is very rude, Mrs. Verma. No, I disagree. Disagre. Disagre. He is a very polite child. Fifth, Lalu tells lies and steals things. He is a dishonest person. Dishonest. Dishonest person. The next exercise is given on page number 83, C1 exercise. Wrote, you have to write the past tense of the did not. You have to use did not with these and write the word again. Complete it. Wrote, did not write. Went, did not go. Bought, did not buy. Found, did not find. Flew, did not fly. Had, did not has or have. Then change the following sentences into negative sentences. These are not very important, but I will repeat it very fast. Tommy saw a big brown cow. Tommy did not see a big brown cow. I gave a seashell to my brother. I did not give a seashell to my brother. The wasp bit the dog on the nose. The wasp did not bite the dog on the nose. Then turn the page. Three men went to the sea in a tub. Three men did not go to sea in a tub. The tiger hid in the tall grass. The tiger did not hide in the tall grass. The small boys ran after the peacocks. The small boys did not run after the peacocks. Okay, children. Then the next exercises are not much important. So I'm not going to cover it. You have to use word ke baad and all the was and word ke baad you have to use the not to make it negative. So they are not very important. So I'm not going to cover all the exercises. You can go through the previous videos to see the work done in the previous in these exercises. Now take out the lesson number 12, St. Francis and the Wolf. Okay, so I had explained the lesson in detail in the previous videos. You can go through the video and see the summary of the lesson. Now I'm going to start with the word meaning of the lesson. Word meaning. First word is savage. Savage means cruel. Savage means cruel. Frightened. Frightened means afraid or scared. दोनों में से कोई भी word आ सकता है. Any word can come in your exam, so you have to learn both the words. Frightened, afraid or scared. Troubling. Troubling means causing troubles. Causing troubles. Wicked. Wicked means bad and harmful. Bad and harmful. So children, I hope you all remember the story of St. Francis. Now let's start with the exercises. First question is, where did St. Francis live? Answer is Assisi. A. Second, the wolf troubled the villages of Dash for a long time. Answer is B. Gubbio. Third, St. Francis asked the villagers to give some dash to the wolf every day. Food. A. Answer. Then write T for true and F for false. First is, St. Francis was the son of a farmer. False. F. Second, St. Francis took a knife, an axe and a stick and went to kill the wolf. False. F. Third, the cruel wolf turned into a kind animal in the end. True. T. Then you have to complete the sentences with words and phrases from the list. First is, St. Francis looked after the sick and helped the poor people. St. Francis looked after the sick and helped the poor people. Second, the wolves killed the hens, ducks and the sheep of the villagers. Hens, ducks and the sheep of the villagers. Third, the wolf killed the animals because it was hungry. Hungry. Fourth, St. Francis spoke to the wolf lovingly. Lovingly. Fifth, in the end, the villagers loved and played with the wolf. Loved and played with the wolf. So, children, you have to learn all these answers. Okay? कुछ भी आ सकता है आपको. Anything can come. Options के साथ. Then next one. Vocabulary. Replace the words in red with the words or phrases from the lesson. जो red में word दिए उनको आपको बुक से देख के किसी और वर्ड से रिप्लेस करना है. मैचिंग वर्ड से. फर्स्ट इज, रामलाल इज अ ट्रेडर. ट्रेडर का मैचिंग वर्ड है मर्चेंट. ओके, सिनोनिम इसका मर्चेंट होगा. MERCHANT. मर्चेंट. ही बाइज एंड सेल क्लोथ्स. Second, the villagers of Gobi were terrified. Terrified का synonym है frightened, Frighteneed, frightened of the wolf. Third, the wolf was wild and violent. Wild and violent का synonym है savage, Savage, savage animal, same word है. Okay, wild and violent means savage. Saint Francis said to the wolf, I'll ask the villagers to give you some food daily. Daily का same word है every day, EVERYDAY, every day. Fifth, the wolf lifted its foot. Foot का same word है paw, PAW, similar word paw, and put it in the saint's hand. Okay. Then you have to write the correct spelling. Writing, WRITING, writing. Pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Friend, FRIEND, friend. Gardener, GARDENER, gardener. Elephant, ELEPHANT. Then turn the page and there is the fill in the blanks given. First one is you have to use was and were with the verb. Okay. The puppies were barking for the food. The girl was combing her hair. Combing was combing her hair. The monkey was teasing the tiger. Tease का बन जाएगा teasing, TEASING, teasing. The old people were sitting on the benches, SITTING, sitting. The dog was chasing, CHASING, chasing the cat this morning. Noor was swimming, SWIMMING, and Simran was lying, LYING, lying on the grass. And then you have to use the not. So same way जैसे आपने previous lesson में किया था, same way you have to do here. Was and were के बाद you have to use not, okay, and make the sentence into negative. So an eagle was flying high in the sky. An eagle was not flying high in the sky. Schoolgirls were crossing the road. The schoolgirls were not crossing the road. Parrot was eating a pomegranate. Parrot was not eating a pomegranate. The boys were flying a kite. The boys were not flying a kite. Then there is the answers that you have to write with the in the short form. Okay. Okay, then turn the page and then there is a letter that we had done. This one. Okay, rhyming words. Water, daughter. Water, daughter. Go, crow. CROW, crow. Tight, right. Whale, sail, SALE. Blue, moon, MOO. Learn, burn, BURN, burn. Okay, children. Now turn the page and there is the poem, The Swing. I hope you'll have remembered the poem The Swing. It's a very beautiful poem, very short poem, and written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now let's start with the exercise part of the poem. First is word meaning. First word is pleasantest. Pleasantest means most enjoyable. Most enjoyable. Second word is kettle. Kettle means cows and bulls. Cows and bulls. Third is wide. Wide is far off. Far off. Fourth, countryside. Countryside is the land with fields and woods outside the towns and cities. Land with fields and woods outside the towns and cities. जो गांव होते हैं, जो जंगल के पास होते हैं, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बाहर की साइड पे होते हैं. Okay, next is comprehension. Complete the answers. How does the swing move? It moves up and down and up again. Up and down and up again. What is the happiest thing a child can do? The happiest thing a child can do is go up in a swing. Go up in a swing. What can a child see up in a swing? It can see a river, trees, kettles all over the countryside and green garden and the brown roof. River, trees, kettle all over the countryside, the green garden and the brown roof. इसको आपको children, it can come in different forms, like आपको question दे दे how does a swing move. It can give you left, right and right, up, down and up. Then next option can be down, up and down. कुछ भी आ सकता है, तो आपको different form में आ सकता है, so you have to take the correct answer. Okay. Then B1, fill in the blanks with color words from the poem. The blue sky, the green garden, the brown roof. Then the things that you can match with the yellow color: sun, lemon, yolk, marigold, butter, happiness. Turn the page. The things that you can associate with the red color: apple, rose, tomato, strawberries, chili, love. Okay, then come to the page number 99. Fill in the blanks. You have to use these adverbs to fill in the blanks. First is, it rained heavily, Heavily, heavily last night, but the sun is shining brightly, Brightly, brightly today. Second, luckily, Luckily, luckily the snake did not bite the baby. Third, Chuk Chuk and the toys lived happily, Happily, happily ever after. Fourth, how beautifully, Beautifully, beautifully Leela sings. Abhinav said proudly, Proudly, proudly to his parents, I won a gold medal today. Sixth, the cook was cutting vegetables with a sharp knife. Suddenly, Suddenly, suddenly he cut his hand. Then you have to match the verb with the adverb, correct adverb here. Write neatly, Neatly, neatly. Listen attentively, Attentivelly. Eat slowly, Sowl, slowly. Greet politely, Politely, politely. Salute smartly, Smartly. Speak clearly, Clearly, clearly. Okay, write neatly, listen attentively, eat slowly, greet politely, salute smartly, speak clearly. Okay children, आपको वर्ड दिया जाएगा, उसके साथ आपको इसके मैचिंग एडवर्ब में से ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे. यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, इसी तरह से सेम वे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में भी आपको सेंटेंस दे दिया जाएगा, आपको डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे. यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ there are the exercises. These exercises are not very important for the exam purpose, so I am going to leave it. And if you have not completed the exercises, you can go through the previous lesson and the PDF to complete the exercises. This is all for today. Thank you.